Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and then to ringtone. For example, for Sim 1 ringtone. And here you have all of the preset ringtones. You can also add your own ringtone somewhere here. Here will be shown the ringtones from your storage, and you can select like your own song here, or you just can select one of the presets. Let's listen to some of them. In my opinion, this one is the most aesthetic, and you just tap here to confirm this ringtone, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.